So these are the internal gearbox parts to my Anchorlift Dolphin 1000 watt motor, or windlass. Everything looks good. The gearbox was oil filled. The oil didn't have any milkiness, water in it, and everything looked fine there. Nothing's bound. This rotates freely. This is the worm. Rotates no problem. So I also noticed that the deck fitting capstan rotates no problem as well. I'm gonna bump test the motor. What's happening is when I was on board, the motor would rotate a few degrees and then pop the breaker, and it would rotate slowly. So I thought something was bound, but I haven't found any binding issues. The motor itself seems to be free too. So we're gonna just do a quick bump test, and I would expect it to spin up pretty quick, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'm ready to bump test this motor. Got it connected to my car battery. We got ground here and the motor strapped down, so just see how it rotates. That worked pretty good. See if it goes the other way. Well, I don't see any issue with that. Well, that's bad news, because now I don't know what's wrong with it. Here you can see the capstan drive shaft from below. Rotates easily. The seal from above looks like new. I cleaned up the bolts, so I just got to grease it. I think everything's ready to go back together. Alright. So I've been pushing and rocking, and got my elbow on this, my shoulder on it, and I'm pushing up real hard, and everything's been cleaned up. But this shaft is like an interference fit. I don't know how to get it without taking some metal off. Anyway, suggestions would be great, because this thing is just hanging on, a half-inch of this. It should slip right off, but it's not.